Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn more about numbers. Are you ready? Let's see how many numbers we are going to learn today. Topic of our lesson is number in figures 51 till 100. Objectives of today's lesson are students will be able to count numbers 51 till 100 in sequence, differentiate between tens and units, understand that 10 units make one ten, write numbers 51 till 100 with correct number formation and place value. Let's learn number in figures 51 till 100. Previously, we have done number in figures 1 till 50 and today we are going to start from 51 and will be ending at 100. Dear students, remember number in figure means writing number with digits. What are the digits? Let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 are the digits.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100.
Let's count number in figures 51 till 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. There are 10 numbers from 51 till 60. Here we have a bar, a set of 10 blocks. One block represents one unit and 10 blocks represent one ten. 10 numbers is equal to 110. Here we have two sets of numbers 51 till 60 and 61 till 70. Let's see how many bars we have. Yes, we have two bars with 10 blocks each. So how many tens we have? Very good. We have two tens. Now let's count numbers 51 till 80 together. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. These are three sets of numbers 51 till 60, one set, 61 till 70, Second set, 71 till 80, third set. With 3 sets of numbers, we'll be needing 3 bars, each bar with 10 blocks. And how many tens are there? Very right, 3 tens. Here we have numbers 51 till 60, 61 till 70, 71 till 80 and 81 till 90. 4 sets of numbers. And with 4 sets of numbers, how many tens we have? Very good. 4 tens. How many sets of numbers you can see now? Let's count together. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. One set. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Second set. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Third set. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Fourth set. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Fifth set. How many bars will be needing with 5 sets of numbers? Very good. 5 bars with 10 blocks each. And 5 bars represents 5 tens. Very good, students. As you can see in set 5, there is a capital H. This H represents hundreds. In place value, we represent unit with green color, tens with blue color, and hundreds with red color. It's time to do some writing assignment. Your day 1 task is open up Smart Number Workbook, page number 15, read and write numbers 51 till 60, and on page number 21, read and write numbers 61 till 70. Your day 2 task is in Smart Number Workbook on page number 39, read and write numbers 71 till 80, and on page number 55, read and write numbers 81 till 90. Try to write numbers with correct number formation and very neatly. Writing assignment for day 3 is in Smart Number Workbook on page number 60, read and write numbers 91 till 100 with correct number formation. Writing assignment for day 4 is to write number in figures 51 till 100 in math notebook. You have to write numbers with correct number formation and place value. Sample copy work is given for you.
Count to 100, come and count with me. Count to 100, come and count with me. I can count from 1 to 20. I can count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 20 to 40. I can count from 20 to 40. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 40 to 60. I can count from 40 to 60. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 60 to 80. I can count from 60 to 80. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 80 to 100. I can count from 80 to 100. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 1 to 100. I can count from 1 to 100.
Dear students, in this lesson we have learned about numbers. Let's revise what we have learned today. Today we have learned to count numbers 1 till 100 in sequence. We can differentiate between tens and units. We know that 10 units make 110, and we can write numbers 51 till 100 with correct number formation and place value. I hope you have enjoyed learning numbers. Practice writing numbers on your green boards during your free time. I'll come again with a new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.